Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today we're taking a look at Mullen Automotive stock and how a short squeeze could be very imminent. Now before we jump into this video guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. Also remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. Anyway, without further ado, let's talk about how MULN stock could seriously be heading towards a short squeeze. Now, first of all, the cost of borrowing has absolutely soared to 8,000%. Also, guys, MarketBeat has reported that as of December 15th, 161 million shares were sold short. So this is the equivalent to a short interest of 43.48%. This figure is high enough to drive a short squeeze, which is why the next few weeks are crucial. Now let's talk about why this cost of borrowing fee has risen. So a rising cost of borrow fee means that short seller demand for a particular stock is increasing. So as the number of available shares to short declines, lenders must charge a higher cost of borrow fee in order to keep up with demand. Also, a cost of borrow fee could be important for a risk to reward scenario. So if a trader does make a trade with a high cost of borrow fee, that means they must be extra confident that they will emerge profitable. An analyst from SC Partners said the following. He said that an increase in stock borrow rates may force, so squeeze out some short sellers into closing their positions. And these people are getting out so that they can realize their remaining mark-to-market profits and exiting before other buy-to-covers drive the stock price up. To be honest, they want to exit and close their short position before major losses are made. Because naturally, remember, if someone is shorting a stock, they believe the price is going to go down. But of course, if someone's long a stock, they think the price is going to go up. Now, if short sellers are convinced that the price is going to go up substantially, that means if they don't have stop losses or whatever, they will be forced to close their positions and they will get margin called. And in turn, when they close their positions, it drives the stock price back up because you will have buy to covers that will come in. So why have there been so many short sellers for the MULN stock? So these short sellers are, of course, assuming the price of the MULN stock will go down. Well, number one, it sort of started off that on December 29th, Mullen did disclose that they were not able to file their Form 10K for the fiscal year ending September 2022. Mullen said that they were awaiting a final valuation of certain company warrants, and these were required to complete the preparation of their consolidated financial statements. Secondly, Nasdaq has a listing requirement. The stock price must be over $1. Now, of course, as you can see, Mullen's stock price is sitting at 32 cents, even though in the past it did meet the listing requirement and it did go over $1. So now Nasdaq has said that the company has to get a price over $1 or at $1 for at least 10 consecutive days by March 6th. But Nasdaq has also implied that they may provide a 180-day extension if this $1 target is not met by March 6th. And the third reason as to why people might be short selling is because, of course, with the whole Nasdaq requirement of the stock price having to be over $1, given that it is not over $1 right now, the company may actually enact a reverse stock split. And as I've mentioned in my previous video, there is a sort of negative connotation when this happens amongst investors. Now, lastly, I want to mention this article that I saw on The Fly and on TipRanks that says unusually active option classes on open December 30th, and MULN stock is in there. Now, this is what unusual options activity actually is. It's basically identifying specific options contracts that are trading a high amount of volume relative to the contract's average daily volume. So Mullen has been suspected of this, and that's been detected. And what this means, and pretty much what you guys need to know, is that this activity indicates that a big move in the underlying stock is coming. So could that be the short squeeze? There's a lot to come with Mullen, so I'll keep you guys posted in the next few days about what's happening. It's actually been one of the most interesting stocks to follow for me, so I'm really invested in the story now. I want to see if this short squeeze takes place. What do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification. Also, mind my Christmas tree. I still haven't taken it down. I need to get around to that. Anyway, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.